Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a video that's kind of different than what I usually do, but not really because I do a lot of cleaning videos. But I just wanted to share with you all of my cleaning products. So whether they're favorite ones, the current ones I'm using right now, or I have a few cleaning tools, so just things I use to clean things with. Behind here are all my cleaning products that I am going to be sharing with you today. So yeah, let's just get on into the video. Alright, I think I'm going to start with, let's just start with like surface cleaning first, and then we'll move on to other products. So let's start with this Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. This is definitely one of my favorites. I have only been using it for a little while. I just barely got it, so I know it works pretty good. And this one is in the scent Wildflower. I did purchase this at Target, and then it just says that it does kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans, just anything really. Yeah, so, but it's a nice, like, more healthier alternative than just your normal, like bleach, Clorox, antibacterial multi-purpose. And then the next thing I like to use is the Method Daily Granite. So all of the countertops in my kitchen are granite, and like most of my bathrooms are granite. So this cleans and polishes, and this is in the Apple Orchard scent. This one smells really good. Again, I just barely started using these Method ones, but so far I like them. So these are definitely in my my favorites. And this one just says surface safe, non-toxic, plant-based, shines granite, marble, and stone. So yeah. So yeah, I like this one because all the other ones that I have don't really work as well as I'd like. So this one I do like, and I like the smell of it too. So that's always a bonus on that. And then the next thing is a degreaser. I like to use a degreaser because, especially on your stoves, you know, whether you have just a regular stove and oven range, or you have a countertop stove, whatever it may be, I like this because when you get splatters of grease on things, this helps take it away. And then this one, I got this one at Walmart. The Method ones I got at Target. This one I just got at Walmart. And it's just called Grease Lightning. It's just a cleaner and degreaser. Removes grease, grime, soap scum, mildew stains, mud, and much more. So yeah, I just got this as a degreaser to mainly get all those like grease spatters off from when you like cook bacon or any sort of like meat. So yeah. This is not necessarily my favorite. This is just more a current one that I'm using. So yeah. Alright, and then my current glass cleaner I am using is the Spray Away Glass Cleaner. It's ammonia free, streak free. You can get these in a 3-pack at Costco. And so that's where this is come from. I'm not too picky on glass cleaner. I like this because it foams, it doesn't run, and it's definitely not streaky. So that's why I like this one. I don't know if it's my favorite, but it is. I like the formula. It's my favorite formula when it like foams instead of runs down like Windex does. So this is my favorite formula of glass cleaner, but it's more or less convenient because it comes in a multi-pack at Costco. So for the bathroom surfaces, I like to use these Clorox disinfecting wipes. I think it's just mainly because they're convenient. They're easy for my kids to use. It's not like wasting paper towels. I mean, I get that you're pretty much just wiping these and throwing them away, but it's not making a huge mess. There's no potential of really bleaching their rugs in their bathrooms, you know, by spraying bleach everywhere. So these I just use more or less for convenience and easy for my children to clean their bathrooms with. But I do like them because, like I said, they're convenient, and then, you know, if you need something to hurry and wipe down and disinfect, grab one of these and wipe it down. So yeah, I mean, these are kind of self-explanatory. They're Clorox wipes, you know, they disinfect. So the next cleaner I use for my bathroom is the Lysol, you know, toilet bowl cleaner. Nothing special. This is just a current I'm using. It's just what I had on hand, so it's nothing special. It's not something I have to have or anything like that. But yeah, it's just this one's advanced deep cleaning power is what it says. But yeah, it's just a normal regular toilet bowl cleaner, and then I got these cheap toilet bowl brushes in each bathroom that have a little holder for each of the bathrooms. So I really did want to bring those out and show you, because that's just, I really don't want dirty toilet brush just roaming around the house. And then speaking of bathrooms, I'd like to show you, or the next thing I'd like to show you is this tool. And this, I really don't remember what it's called. It doesn't say. Oh, it's a ScotchBrite tool. It says right here, I don't know if you can see that, but it says ScotchBrite right here. So that's the brand, and it's just a pole, so it extends cleaner, brush, scrubber thing. But what I like to use this for is bathtubs. So it extends, so you don't have to like bend down into the tub. You can just use this and, you know, scrub away. So this is a really handy thing to use. And I don't have any on hand anymore. But I usually use like some sort of scrub stuff. I'm trying to think of what it's called. Okay, so I actually was able to find the cleaner that I use with this scrub brush on my bathtubs. This is the Comet Soft Cleanser. Cleans with bleach to remove tough stains. So it's a scratch-free cream cleanser. So yeah, it's just a thicker liquid, so I think it kind of coats it better. And then I just put some water on this and I scrub away. So again, I got both of these at Walmart. This you can find, where did I find this? I think I found this like where the mops and the scrub brushes are, and the, you know, sweeps or the brooms and the mops and all that kind of stuff are. But yeah, so these are kind of a pair that I use together. Alright, and then for dish stuff, I've been using, these are my current dishwasher little things. Dishwasher packs is what they're called. These are just the Kirkland Premium Dishwasher Packs Automatic Dishwasher Detergent. So they're just, again, a thing I got at Costco for cheap. So yeah, nothing extravagant. These are lemon citrus scented. They do the job. So I usually rinse all my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher anyways, so I'm not too worried about whether it removes like food or stuff off of my dishes, because I always pre-rinse them anyways. So as long as it just kind of disinfects and cleans them, gets all the germs off, that's all I care about. But yeah, again, I got these at Costco. And then the dish tool that I like to use is this little scrub brush thing. It's a ScotchBrite dish wand, I think is what it was called. So you fill this thing here with soap, and then this is your scrub brush, so it comes out nice and soapy. Because I feel like if you put soap onto the dish and then scrub it with something else, you're wasting the soap. And so this tends to make my soap last longer than if I was like pouring soap, scrubbing, pouring soap, scrubbing. And even if I were to fill the sink with water and soap, which I don't really particularly like doing because I feel like you're just bathing your dishes in its own dirty water. And I don't like that. So, yeah, I don't like doing that. Because I feel like you're washing it and then you're pulling it out of the dirty water, rinsing it, and then setting it out to dry. Because there are dishes that I do hand wash, and so I don't like it. I think it's gross. So I like to have this instead, and I like how it has the abrasive scrub brush on it, and it works really good. I really enjoy this. Alright, and then on to laundry things, which I only have 2 cleaning supplies left. So the first thing I use for my laundry detergent is this Sun Triple Clean. And this one is in the Tropical Breeze. It's a really big thing. It's a really big thing, and I get it at Walmart for like $5 or $6 for this big container. And it says it has 134 medium loads. I just like this mainly for the pure fact that it's cheap. I don't feel like it's necessary to spend $20 on Tide laundry detergent. So I just get this, and it's a really big container. I mean, this thing is huge. It lasts me for a while. So yeah, again, purely for the price, that's the reason why I get it. Alright, last but not least is my fabric softener. I could not for the life of me think of what it was called. This is the Suavitel Ice. I don't know how to pronounce that. Suavitel fabric softener, and this is in the scent Filled Flowers, which makes it smell really good. And this is the biggest bottle they make, and then I just pour it into my Downy ball. But the main reason why I got this was because I was using the Bounce scent beads or scent beads or whatever they are. The little scent things that you would pour into your washer. But come to find out, my youngest son was allergic to it and was breaking out in like eczema and some sort of like weird rash. And as soon as I stopped using it, he hasn't had it since. So I assumed that's what it was, so I just completely stopped using it, even though I liked the smell of it. I just decided to get a fabric softener, and I mainly started using the fabric softener too because I wash a lot of clothes that need to be hung to dry, and so I wanted them to smell good and to feel more softer, because I noticed that when you hang dry your clothes, they seem to be a little more starchy. And then I just fell in love with the smell of having the laundry smell like this, especially my sheets. And so I've just been using it for every load. So yeah, so this is just my fabric softener that I use. Alright guys, that is all of my cleaning products that I am either currently using, or my favorite, or just tools that I like to use. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just figured I might as well share my products with you. Again, I am not sponsored by any of the companies that I've shown you today. I know there's been a lot of things going around about people not telling people that they're being sponsored by things. So I just wanted to let you know that I purchased every single one of these products, and I am not being paid or told to or anything to talk about these products. These just happen to be the ones that I am using at the moment. So yeah. So again, don't forget to go down and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!